Hey guys, this is a food snack review of the Blue Diamond blueberry oven roasted almonds, and they have vitamin E in them. I found these at CVS in the candy and snack aisle, and as you can see, it's 1.5 ounces. Turn it on the back here. 230 calories, which is not that bad. Nuts are pretty high in fat. Almonds are one of the healthier nuts concerning fats. It doesn't have too much fat. It has lesser fat than other nuts. As you can see, it's 23% fat. Total fat, 18 grams of fat per serving. 7% saturated fat, 0 trans fat, which is good. Polyunsaturated fat, 4.5 grams, whatever that is. Monosaturated fat, 11 grams. Cholesterol, 0% cholesterol. Low sodium, 35 milligrams, 1% of the daily recommended. It even has fiber, 4 grams of fiber. It does have sugar, pretty low in sugar actually. 9 grams of sugar. And look, it even has some vitamins and minerals. Look, it has magnesium, 95 milligrams of magnesium. You have some iron, very low percentage of iron, 1.3%. Vitamin E. 50% of your daily recommended intake, vitamin E, 8.2 milligrams, which is pretty good for this small little pack of nuts. It even has some calcium, potassium, no vitamin D in there. And let me get the ingredients here. It has almonds, sugar, natural blueberry flavor. I'll have to look it up and see what that is. One second here. Corn, maltodextrin. What's that on the end? Modified corn. Modified corn. Let's see. Modified cornstarch, sea salt, blueberry juice concentrate, so it actually has juice in it. Puree, vegetable juice, color, I guess it gives it that rich purple color. Rebiana stevia extract, so it's sweetened with stevia. Made in Sacramento, California. And I'm going to try these. So I opened the pack and they look pretty natural actually. And I had one. They taste kind of like, they kind of have like a Fruity Pebbles taste. Yeah, they're pretty good. Tastes like cereal. I'm assuming these are a accidentally vegan or vegan friendly, plant-based friendly snack. I'll have to look into those natural colors. But it's a pretty good snack. 230 calories for the whole pack. It's an interesting combination. Almonds and blueberries. I've had berries in not almond milk, but I've had them in soy milk. But fresh berries and almond milk sounds like a pretty good combination. But I highly recommend these. If you're ever in CVS or wherever they sell these, probably in Walmart or like Target or something. These are pretty good. I'm not sure if they're new, but I'm sure they're pretty good tasting. Healthy snack. Give you a little glucose boost and some protein and vitamin E. My name is Christopher, or Chris, whichever you want to call me. A lot of people call me Chris. And this is a product review of the Blue Diamond Blueberry Almonds. Thank you.